Hello everyone, our today's topic is all about HTML audio tag obviously, and we are done with many basic tags. So now we know about HTML tags and head, title, then body, etc. So we will focus directly on this audio tag only, that is this part actually. So we are writing that audio start tag, and with that also we are writing one more thing, which is controls. It means obviously if it is audio file, or maybe it is if it is video file, okay, we require play, pause, volume, all that things. So using controls we will get all that things. Okay, then we have a source and then src. That means here you have to write your file name. Okay, so on the desktop I have that sample dash 15 seconds dot mp3, just the sample file. Okay, right now, so I've used that file. And if you don't know the extension, then you can write like this also, like .ogg, .mp3, and based on the audio available, okay, in your computer with the extension, it will select that out of this two. Okay, right now it is mp3, so obviously it is going to select this one. Okay, then you have to write type equal to audio slash ogg if it is .ogg, and type equal to audio slash mpeg if it is mp3. And suppose if you have some other version or other format audio file, then you will find one message, your browser does not support what audio element, and then close of audio tag. So we'll check the output of this also, control S. See, we are getting this controls like play, then volume, and this three dots, like more options or something. So we'll quickly click. If you want, you can increase your playback CSP also. This is normal because you want double. Okay, and as per the browser compatibility, you can use autoplay also, muted also, so many other features also you can use. But it is obviously based on your compatibility. If it is supporting, then only you will get the output. Otherwise, you will not get any output for that. Okay, so that is, and one more thing before I end this video, obviously, your audio file, okay, and your HTML file, both has to be in the same folder. Then only you can write here directly the name. Okay, that is must actually, we can say. So that is all about HTML audio. In my next video we will talk about HTML video tag. Thank you everyone.